Welcome back to Tech World. I hope you all are doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video which will be guiding you to install TrueCaller application in your Android device. TrueCaller is a smartphone application that has features of TrueCaller identification, call blocking, flash messaging, call recording, chat and voice by using the internet. It requires user to provide a standard salary or mobile number for registering with the service. And this app is available for both Android and the iOS. So in this video, I'll be teaching you how to install TrueCaller application in an Android device. And to do that, first of all, make sure you have a good internet connection and then tap on the Play Store, tap on the search box and type TrueCaller. Onto it after when you find the application, tap on the green button that says install. Installing may take some time if you have a poor internet connection, but keep some patience. Here to go to application, it's successfully installed in your device. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Do subscribe to our channel. I'll do that with more tutorial videos. Till then, bye bye. See you.